In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform NFT bulk transfers in Opensea. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. Opensea does not natively support sending multiple NFTs in a single click. The most reliable approach is to quickly locate the items you want and send them one after another. I'll show you how to streamline that process so it feels efficient and error-free. Start by heading to Opensea in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side and open the Collections section. This view helps you see groups of NFTs you own or follow, which makes bulk actions faster because you can work within one collection at a time instead of hunting item by item. Next, use the filter by controls to narrow things down. Choose a category that matches the type of NFT you're moving, then select the chains filter. Picking the correct chain is essential because you can only transfer an NFT on the chain it lives on. For example, if the item is on Base or Ethereum, make sure that chain is selected so your results and transfers stay consistent. With filters set, use the search bar to find the specific collection or NFT name more quickly. When your target item appears, click into the NFT. You'll land on the item's detail page, which shows its image, traits, and available actions. OpenSea provides a send button here. Click that to start the transfer. You'll see a field to enter the recipient's wallet address or an ENS name. Paste carefully and double check every character. If you're using ENS, confirm that it resolves to the intended address and that the address supports the same chain as the NFT you're sending. Accuracy here prevents irreversible mistakes. When everything looks correct, select Review Transfer. This page summarizes the details so you can verify the item, the destination, and the network, and preview the estimated fees. If something isn't right, go back and adjust before proceeding. If it all checks out, you're ready to move on. To accomplish a bulk move, repeat this same flow for each additional NFT. Work within the same collection, keep your filters and search term in place, and move down your list methodically. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Consider testing with a lower value item first. Keep an eye on gas fees, which can vary by chain and time of day, and ensure the recipient has access to the wallet you're sending to. With a consistent rhythm, open item, send, review, repeat, you'll transfer multiple NFTs quickly and confidently.